Hello everyone, today I'd like to do a quick review of Vimlop Hula Hoop. It's a new kind of hula hoop that helps you to become slimmer, to work out, and it comes in small pieces, but then you can attach it, each piece is an extra piece that we have, and as you can see, that's the mechanism that in a way massages the belly when you're using the hula hoop. It comes with the weight. Also, there's a counter. See, it counts every move you make. What I like about this specific product, that it comes with additional belt and also the tape to measure, so you can take measures before and after, to see how it worked. So I highly recommend this product, and I hope you will enjoy it as my wife does.